Hockey 605, we're here with Julie Olson, who is the tournament coordinator for the Sioux Falls Flyers Icebreaker Squirt B&C tournament. How's everything going so far, Julie?
Very well, very well. We're all very pleased with how it's turned out. Getting good feedback from all the teams, and yeah, everybody's having fun.
Well, and there's some really nice quality hockey going on here, but you know, this is the first tournament that the Flyers have hosted in the Iceplex, isn't it?
Yes, the very first tournament. We decided to do a big one, a B&C. So, yeah, and everything is just, it's going smooth. It's good.
Well, and how is it different for you from the previous years when you guys have hosted tournaments?
We really didn't have, we really couldn't host tournaments, especially something of this magnitude. Having 2 rinks going all day, on Saturday is a first for Sioux Falls. So, yeah, it never happened.
So how many teams do you have in each of the 2 divisions?
We have a total of, I'd have to look at my sheet. I'm so, I got
That's
so
all
many
right.
teams running through
Well,
my
and I
head.
know I've talked with teams here that are here from Des Moines.
Yes.
We have Rushmore teams here. They have 2.
Rushmore, yes.
2 Sioux Falls teams, and that's just we're just talking about the B division now, right?
Yes, in the B division, yes.
And then we have Mitchell,
Yes.
Sioux Center,
Yep, Sioux Center.
and Owyhee.
Yep, and they've all been very good games.
They have been
Yes.
some very nice quality games.
Yes.
Some of them looked as if they might make it into overtime.
Yeah, very
And we were
close.
able to live stream a few of the games for you guys.
Yes, good. Yeah, the parents really like that.
Now, what you also have the C going on,
Yep.
and tomorrow the C will be in the feature rink, right?
Yes, there will be some games. They'll be in the feature rink, so they get to get out of the Zuger rink and go into the big rink.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we have 2 Mitchell teams, a couple Sioux Falls teams, Sioux City, Sioux Center.
Yeah, there's some good hockey being played here this weekend. Now, one of the other things that's nice about having this facility for you guys is that a lot of times when there's a tournament going on, everybody else gets no ice time, right?
Yeah.
But here with the 3 rinks, you're only using 2 of them for the tournament for the most part, right?
Yes, and we have still been able to have our open skate. The men's league kind of started a little bit last night. Didn't have to overlap too much. They still got their games in, and yeah, it's been nice. Very
it's
nice.
really working out well. You guys are doing a great job. Now, tomorrow we get to award trophies, right?
Yes, we do.
Are you starting to look at some of those matchups, or do we still have a few games left to play?
The only matchup that we know so far is that in the C division, Sioux City is playing for first place.
Oh, all right.
That's all we know for now.
Well, we're looking forward to that game tomorrow. Well, Julie, I know you have a lot of things that you need to take care of here. We appreciate you taking some time with us at Hockey 605. Great job on the tournament, and we're looking forward to the next one.
Yeah, thank you very much.